Okay, so we're ready to go. Bike's all packed up. It's pretty good here. Puri Lovina Hotel, very good. I can recommend it. The rooms are really spotless and good and clean. Got the bike loaded up, ready to go. We're going to head east. Okay, so we're just passing through Singaraja here. The Singaraja used to be the capital of Bali for many years before Denpasar. And Singa is a lion, Raja is king, so it's more or less the name, the Lion King. Alright, so we're going to move on through the town. Alright, so we stopped in Tembok at my friend's house. Check out these doors, will you? It's all hand carved, there's all that ebony wood too. Check that out. Amazing, eh? How are ya? Tidor? How you going, brother? Alright, so I bought this land years ago. This is my house up in Karanasam. But I've got a new big 8-bedroom house, never been finished, just built the frame of it. And yeah, it's only about 100 metres from the beach. But when I split up with my wife, well, that was it. It's been sitting here ever since, unfinished. And they live in these 2 rooms where the original house was. I bought this whole land here with a house on it for 65 million, like 10 grand. Alright, say hello, Park.
Salam.
This is my uncle, on benzene. I call him on benzene, Uncle, because he sells benzene. And my auntie, I don't know where she's gone. It's Bibik. Bibik benzene. So he's got a little shop up here in Tiana. Sells all the Balinese stuff for praying and offerings and that, and petrol on the front. Yeah, it's been a long time since I've seen it. It's just like this on benzene, Bibik benzene. My old mother-in-law. Hello, Ibu.
Apa kabar? Lama nggak ketemu ya. Biasa, lagi sihat.
Masih sakit nih. Kaki sakit ya.
Mau ke sana, keren mau ke sana. Tapi nggak tahu yang mana.
So this is my father-in-law. Papa Ketut. And this is all his land here up on the mountain. Got a couple of houses where one of his sons live and they live. Very nice. Ketut. Madai Koya sudah meninggal ya? So siapa anak dia ada?
Anaknya ada di sini.
Oh ya. Saya ada bos baru. Yeah. He's talking about the cockfights, big cockfights down there on the hill, and my uncle used to have the big cockfights, but now someone new's got it. Alright, this is Mount Agung from the north side. We're up in around Kubu. And this is about this road actually goes through. It's just a dirt road right to the base of it. But it's about the closest you'll get to it really, to have a good view of it. Mount Agung. Alright, check this out. It's called See You Again Cafe at Amed. Apparently it's pretty good. Oh, looks like sun is setting down there over the mountains, but anyway, it's a nice little cafe. It's up sort of high on the hill. You see this big one over here, Sunset Point one or something, that's where everyone goes, but it's really expensive, and this is like 60 metres away. No one's here, very good. So there's garlic chicken and rice, looks alright. Oh yeah, have we got ikan bakar? Maybe. You want to swap now? What? Huh? You want the chicken? Smell that garlic. Smells good. Okay, so after driving around for 2 hours looking for somewhere, we've finally got a little place. It's actually alright. It's a good size really. It's probably about 3.5, 4 metres square. It's got the bed, big workbench. And just a basic little shower there and the toilet. It's good enough. It's 250,000, $25 a night. And it's not that far out of town, like kilometre and a half out of Amed, off the ocean, so it's good. Yeah, everything was full. Saturday night, everything was full. Yeah, I was just about losing it, driving around for friggin' 2 hours looking for different places. Everywhere that had rooms on Traveloka or something like that, and when we went there they say full and try and rent you a more expensive room and shit. So anyway, we found somewhere and it's good, actually, very. Alright, it's also got its own kitchen. So it's got a little kitchen, gas cooker, fridge. How good is this? A little veranda. Right, check out this. This is sunrise in Amed. Over the rice paddies again. It's very nice. The ocean's over there and a beautiful sunrise. Pretty good for 250,000, $25 a night. Bloody cheap as. Okay, so it's a good spot. The name is Lumbung Sari. See, how's that for a view of Mountain right out the front? Very nice. Found this little cafe. It's early in the morning. It's about 6:30. We're hunting everywhere for a coffee. Karma Cafe. It's right next to a cornfield, which is nice. It looks like this is all new, actually. It looks very new. Very nice. Thank you. Right, it's really nice here. Look, you see they got all peanuts grown in amongst the corn. Sort of a rotation crop, helps keep the weeds away, and plus they get peanuts. See all the chickens out there in the middle eating all the peanuts. Little temple there, it's very nice. So here we got a matcha latte. I just got a cafe latte. Very nice. Alright, so it was 70,000, about $7 for 2 coffees, or tea and a coffee. It's very nice here. It's very new. Baru in here?
Baru lah.
Berapa bulan? Okay.
6 months ago.
Oh, 6 months? All right.
Yeah.
All right. This was our accommodation. It was 250,000 a night, right over the rice paddies. It's a really big room. It's got a good little bathroom. Yuli's having a shower at the moment, so I won't show you that. Huge bed. Great view of the mountains and the rice paddies, and you've even got your own little kitchen here. Look at this. Got a big fridge, kitchen, gas cooker and everything. And $25 a night, so cheap. Just check that out the window. Beautiful views. Can't beat this, Amed. Throughout this warung, it's fairly big, it's really long. It's called Devasa Warung, and it's just before Amlapura, just after you go through the mountain from Amed. It's very nice right on the rice paddies. So we're just going to have a quick breakfast here and then move on. Okay, so we're moving on. We're going to go down just through Amlapura and then turn off and head up right up through the mountains. And we're going to cut through to Sideman's and check out rice terraces. Wow, just check this out. You can just see the top of Mount Agung there. So we're pretty high up in the mountains, but how beautiful is this? Good, yeah? Nice little waterfall down here. So all these waterways here feed the rice paddies. So that's a Sipatan. It's sort of right up on top of the mountain. So we found a little food stall here because there's just no warungs anywhere. But hello, everyone. So it's cooking some satay. Satay ayam. Chicken. So this is chicken pepes. It's just steamed and cooked in a banana leaf. It's full of chili and stuff like that. Look at that, satay with some lonton. And it's got to dodge the dogs. We'll try this out. Breakfast, village style. All right, thank you, Boo.
Thank you.
All right, back on the bike, we're on the way. These are all salak farms where they grow the salak. It's everywhere, snake fruit we call it. It's got like the snake skin. It's everywhere up here. this whole area is all chili, Lombok chili, the big long ones. Look at them, just millions of it. Wow, big chili farm, that one. Desa Mananga. Okay, I'm not even sure where we are. Maybe somewhere near Sideman. There's a nice river here. Apparently there's a sign there saying there's a dam, so maybe this might be classed as a dam, the wall. Check out that river. It looks like something you do river rafting on, but I can't see anything like that here. Alright, they've got some sort of temple up here. Apparently this is for showering and blessing maybe the water from the river or something, I don't know. You see the dragons here at the entrance to the temple up here. So this is why I love just getting on the bike and cruising around. You just find stuff you never seen before. Okay, so we just stopped here at like an Indo-Mart or Alpha Mart or something. And yeah, we're more or less come out at the Saki road, the main road that goes through to Kintamani. So we've decided to head up to Kintamani. But heading that way from Amlapura right through the mountains, over the top of the mountains, all them little roads, and that was amazing. There's so much produce getting grown in there, and so much rice and chili and salak and everything grown. It's a beautiful ride, it really is. And it's off the big main roads. Like now we're back on a main road again, up to Kintamani, but it was good to hit them little windy mountainous roads, and yeah, it was really good. So this is the only place up around Bali. See, it's like a forest everywhere. It's not really jungle anymore. All up the top here, there's huge tall trees, and yeah, some of it's even like Australian bush, you know. Yeah, it's very different. Okay, quick stop at Lake Bator, Kintamani. It's a nice clear day for it anyway. You see here where the last eruptions were, where it's all burning out, look. Last eruption of the volcano. Alright, that was just too high pressure. I was trying to film and take a photo, and about 20 of them are just hassling shit out of us to buy stuff. And really, one of them was getting a bit angry. So we just left. Yeah, I just hate that high pressure. Like no means no, you know what I mean? But they just don't take no for an answer sometimes. Anyway, it's very busy with tourists, and I don't know whether we should ride down to the bottom or not. Maybe we'll have a little quick look. Right, so we've come nearly down to the bottom. I don't think we'll go all the way around down the bottom. There's not much use. But yeah, you can see a lot of bungalows and stuff down there. And that's it, Lake Bator, Kintamani. Yeah, it was just way too high pressure up top of the hill there, wasn't it? We had to get away from it. So we come down here for a ride, that's about it. I think we'll just head back up. So this is like an Indo-Mart at the top of the hill, and you've got a viewpoint of the lake and everything here. So most people come and just buy a coffee in here and sit there.